We all download Android apps in our day-to-day life to make our life easier for entertaining purposes and much more. But what if I tell you that some apps do exist that you never knew about their existence or even installed on your Android device? Do you have any doubt? Then watch the video. So in today's video, we're going to talk about 5 apps that you never knew existed on Play Store. Hey, you watching my screen, I am Fabrice on IQcodec and I'm going to be video instructor of the day. So we all live in a world where little boxes in our pocket can find us, date, call us, taxi, deliver our groceries and even control our TV. We all know about the Twitter, Spotify, Ubers of the world. But what about those lesser known apps that actually had a pretty massive waves in their tiny pony? In the video today, we are trying to illustrate top 5 apps that you never knew that existence. These apps are way cool and each of them have their different feature to tell, so please don't skip through any of these 5 apps. We're going to start from the 5th to the 1st. So the 5th app in our list is called PC Remote. So PC Remote is a utility app that will let you use your Android device to actually control almost everything on your PC. So this is the user interface of the app. If you come in here, you're going to see media. So this app allows you to use your Android device as a media controller. Thereby you can mute the volume, increase the volume, next, pause, and if you go on the power, you can actually use this device to actually switch up, sleep, hibernate, shut down, restart your computer remotely. If you go to the PowerPoint, you can use it for presentations. You go to web and also control your browser through this application. Another cool feature is that you can use it as a mouse pad and use it as a mouse. And if you go to utility tab, you're going to see some features that we're going to be talking about. The first utilities app here, you're going to see we have Remote Desktop. Remote Desktop allows you to have a graphical user interface of your PC on your Android device remotely, such that you can use your PC from your Android device. We have the data cable, which enables you to connect your Android device to your PC without using any physical cable. And we have these spaces. So this space will allow you to have your computer on your Android device. So your computer is going to act as a server. And you're going to be downloading everything from your Android device. So to know how to use this app, I already did a tutorial on this application that I posted on our YouTube channel. So this is the video. In this video, I explained everything you need to know on how to use PC Remote. I'm going to allow the link in the video description on how you are going to use it. So just follow the link. If you have ever had your phone play songs from inside your pocket in a quiet place on its own, or have your little ones play around with your phone, then you will understand that this is one of the cool Android apps you need in your Android phone. So the app we're looking at is called Touch Protector, and this is the 4th app in our list. So this Touch Protector app simply prevents unintended touch operations from happening. Let's get into the user interface of the application. So first thing first is this is what you're going to see in the welcome page. So I advise you to go through these videos, because if you check it, you say this app is not an ordinary screen locker. Please check out this video for basic usage. Okay, now I'm going to run you through few of the settings I love, but we're not going to go through it because the app has multiple functionalities. On the share tab, we have shake locking. Here you simply need to enable this shaking your phone with unlocking and enabling the shaking unlocking, such that when shaking your phone you will be able to unlock your phone. Other cool thing that we're going to look is at proximity. Proximity lock only if dark. So once this is enabled, it's going to make such that once your sensor is dark, the phone is going to lock itself automatically. That is, if it's inside a pocket, it's going to lock automatically. So enabling this will enable this functionality on your Android device, thereby preventing unintended actions from happening. And as I said, it has a lot of functionalities: proximity, hand keys, lock screen, wheel screen, status bar. So please, for the sake of time, I'm not going to go through this, but I assure you, like I said, this application prevents you from having unintended actions from happening on your phone. Imagine this latest scenario: you are at a movie hall with your girlfriend and you guys decide to buy a bottle of Coke, and the movie is about to start, and at that time you realize that you need to visit the bathroom, but you don't want to miss any part of the movie. Example, you guys are watching a movie like Squid Game or Casa of Papel. So what do? So Run P is an app that tells you the perfect time to run to the bathroom during your movie and gives you a synopsis of what you have missed when you get back. So it's pretty freaky, right? So we actually realized that there's an app called RunP. So I myself, I was very surprised when I went on the internet and I asked the question, and I saw an app called RunP. So which kind of developer will create an app and name it after RunP? So RunP is available on Play Store. So first, you're going to get this, the user interface of RunP, so you can see these are the movies we have. So you can decide to watch any movie of your choice. Let's take, for example, this Venom Last Carnage. If you click on this, okay, so you can see we're going to just pass this by. Okay, now if you have a movie like this one, the first thing is that you get to view your P time. So this is very funny. So I'm trying to understand a bit, but developers actually create things. So this is a short movie, less than 90 minutes, including the extra. In the end credit, I had one recommended P time, the middle one, and 2 energy P time, first and last. What P time? What did they actually use the app for? But people use it, and like I said, these are apps that we never knew existed. So if you check at this, we'll see P poll. What is your expectation on how good Venom this is? If we let us say okay, they say it reads the letter and finish kiss honks and this thing. So I think these are the synopsis that are going to meet about this P time. A good P time but short. There are conversations you want to hear that start at the end of the P time. You will catch the important part as long as you are not late. So these are the synopsis. They can read the when you went to the bathroom, you can come and use the synopsis. In a second, I think this is a P time 2 of 3. Okay. This is P time 2 of 3, and this is P time 3 of 3. So each time you go for a P time, you have the synopsis are already available for you, and you still have extras. These are extra during the end credit of Venom, about 2 minutes. Wow, this app actually do exist. So for copyright, so because of copyright issues, I'm not going to play this movie live on YouTube. But like I said, this is an app that actually enables you to schedule your P time once in a movie theater or at home. At the second position of this video, we have Wacky. Wacky is essentially a wake-up call service. You select a time to receive a call, go to bed, and let the app do its things. But here is the wait part. When your wake-up time reach, a random stranger is going to call you and talk to you until you get ready to start your day. So Wacky, any stranger will call you in the morning, and you guys are going to discuss depending on the subject and get you ready for your day. So it's pretty funny, right? This is the user interface of the app. You are visiting a community where true friendship happens, yeah, where our friends, we are not afraid to be our real self and to be vulnerable. Yes, whatever is in your mind now can be threatening to someone. So you actually talk with strangers that may find what is in your mind interesting. So you can continue with Google, Facebook, or with your phone. Let us take Google, accept. So you can see it's a place to listen, help, learn, and joke around with people all over the world. So this is an app that I myself I never had. So you select your gender. I'm a male. Okay, my native English. Your level, I don't know. Your level in French, I only read French. Donc moi ici francophone, ce que je vais faire, c'est que je vais prendre cette deuxième option. I only read and write, but I can speak. So I can speak French. Okay. So you are ready to start. We're going to bypass this for now. Okay, so you can see, you can select at random, call somebody and get your day started. So remember, like I said, what you have might be interesting to someone to listen. So for the purpose of this, we can try it on a live video call. So you're just going to see what happens. So you can see this is a conversation that have been going on the Wacky. So you can select any person and call at random, and you guys can start a discussion there by starting your day or finishing your day. We have finally reached at the first app of the day. So please, to support us, click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to stay tuned with our latest hacks and tricks on IQcodec. So the first app of today is called Rando. Rando is a platform that allows you to share random pictures of whatever you want and send it off, and in a moment you receive a random picture from a stranger that is actually going to respond to you around the world. So the stranger might be located in any part of the world, but such that you share your picture randomly and get a response from a random person around the world. That is pretty cool, right? So let us get into the user interface of the app and look what it looks like. you open Run Me, and the first thing I'm going to do is that you can skip, so we're not going to create an account, so you can do it very anonymously. You click on the skip, allow permission. Okay, so this little cycle here just allow you to take an image of what you want to take, allow permission to camera, allow. Okay, so you can see you can actually take a picture of what you want. So for example, if I click on this picture right now, okay, I'm going to share it with a random person, and I'm going to have a response from a random person from another location. So once it's shared, just wait for it to load, and that will be it. And I'm going to have a response in a little moment from any person around the globe, and you guys will actually exchange. So it's all about exchanging pictures, getting connected with people around the globe. And remember, everything here is anonymous, so that's the cool thing about that. So I think we have reached the end of this video tutorial. So please, to support us, hit the subscribe button. IQcodec wants to make 5,000 subscribers before the year 2022. So we count on you. We know it is possible. Stay tuned, IQcodec, and please, for any request for a video, please comment it out and let us know among these 5 apps which one was your favorite. We meet in the comment section. Bye. I was Fabrice from IQcodec.